Hello, traders. Today is Thursday, July 10th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So I do think that the US dollar CAD move to the upside is not over yet, mostly based on looking at other pairs, especially the dollar index itself. We are kind of drifting down a little bit. This week has been pretty slow. I mean, Monday morning we had a nice move, but ever since then it's been very, very, very slow market. I think that we are going to have another push up. We need to see a break to the upside to confirm that it is going up again. If it doesn't break to the upside, it could possibly roll over, maybe grab some of these lows for liquidity and then end up continuing back up. But overall, I do think that there's a very good likelihood that the higher time frames, like the daily time frame, needs to go up more. I think that this move up is very likely a correction to the weekly and monthly downtrend. So we just have to keep in mind that even if it does go up more, it probably is eventually, maybe not this week, but eventually probably going to end up continuing the very high time frame downtrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel linked over here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.